I want a million years, a million years of fear. And there's a taste of iron, cherry lipstick, poltergeist hair. She started shouting at the volunteers, selling truth. Tell me what it's like to be alone, choking on a plastic smoothie with a revolvers. Come and let me go. Sorry that you missed us. Leave a message and we'll come back for you. There's a mindless stare, blindly I gaze instead. Calling time retired, fire choir started fire. Welcome to the desolation. This is our destination. Kid run.